Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at one exceptional family home in the Woodcrest estate of Pullenvale. Situated on 1 acre of land, the home itself offers exceptional proportions, fantastic entertainment facilities, and one of my favourite features is the extra shed, along with the convenient location. We're walking distance to the bus stop and the local Pullenvale marketplace.